7 we had completed. Now come to page number 8. Today's date over there. Page number 8, put today's date. Page number 8, animal calls. Now put the date there. Today's date is 28/5/21. Last time when we did GK, I remember I was asking you the sounds of some of the animals and some of you told me a cat mews, a dog barks. So now today we are going to do some sounds of these animals that are given here on page number 8. Now first we are going to read the sounds that are given in this green box here. Put your finger here. Put your finger here in your books. We are going to read this. R-O-A-R. Roar. Roar. Does anyone know which animal makes the sound roar? If you know, raise your hand. Yes,
Lion. Lion is roar.
Yes, Kriday?
Lion.
Lion. That's right. A lion roars. Now, Omash, can you tell me which number picture is the lion on?
Ma'am, 5.
5. That's right. So all of you write R-O-A-R, roar on number 5. R-O-A-R, roar on number 5. एंड रिमेंबर, अगर आप मैम की बात ध्यान से सुनेंगे और जो मैम बोल रही है आप मैम के साथ करेंगे तो आपका कोई काम छूटेगा नहीं. यस मंजीत. Manjeet, GK period. Manjeet, this is GK period. We are on page number 8 of your GK book.
Okay, ma'am.
Now on number 5, there's a picture of a lion. So please write the sound which the lion takes out. R-O-A-R, roar. When you finish, give me a thumbs up. Come on, we'll do it quickly, children. Now, the next word that is written there is H-I-S-S, hiss. H-I-S-S, hiss. H-I-S-S, hiss. Does anyone know which animal takes out this sound?
Ma'am, number 7 is snake.
Prashasti, you just have to raise your
Ma'am,
hand.
snake.
You only have to learn to raise your hand. You don't have to start answering. Yes, Ishanvi?
Ma'am, snake.
Snake. Okay. So, Shivansh, on which number is a picture of a snake given?
Hiss.
Shivansh, H-I-L-L, hiss sound. अभी ईशानवी ने बताया स्नेक करते हैं और हमने आपसे पूछा है स्नेक किस नंबर पर बने हुआ है. बुक में देखिए स्नेक किस नंबर पे बना है.
7.
7. Okay. So all of you write H-I-L-L, his on number 7. H-I-S-S, his on number 7. All right. Now the next word that I'm going to read is N-E-I-G-H, neigh. N-E-I-G-H, neigh. Prashasti, do you know which animal makes this sound? Prashasti? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Prashasti, can you hear me? Prashasti, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which animal makes the sound Neigh? Neigh. Do you know? Okay. If you don't know, you have to tell me.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Anyone else? Inaya, yes?
मैम horse नहीं करता है.
Horse. The horses
Horse.
neigh. Horses neigh. Okay. Prashasti, did you hear? A horse neighs. The sound
Yes,
made
ma'am.
by a horse's neigh. So now, Nipun, can you tell me on which number is a picture of a horse given? Nipun, can you tell me? Can you hear me, Nipun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. On which number is a picture of a horse given?
2.
2. That's right. So children, on number 2, right over there. Neigh. 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 Ayat Heather. Ayat, you have just joined. This is your GK period, child. We are doing page number 8 of your GK book. Please take it out. GK book, Ayat. All right. The next word is BLEAT, bleat. BLEAT, bleat. Children, in your nursery classes and KG classes, you must have learned the sounds of animals. So, anyone remembers which animal makes this sound? Bleat. Okay, I will tell you. A sheep. A sheep. Yes, Ali?
One sheep.
Sheep, that's right. A sheep make this sound. So, Hayat, can you tell me on which number is a picture of a sheep? Look at the pictures in your book. Animals की pictures अपने book में देखिए.
What number?
Number?
3.
Okay, 3.
3.
Children, please do not answer out of turn. Do not answer out of turn. Those are bad manners. एक बच्चा आंसर कर रहा है और Okay, so write on number 3, bleat. BLEAT. On number 3, write bleat. Ayat number 3, right over there, bleat. All right, Sakina, the next one. CROAK, croak. I can see Sakina's camera is on, but she's not there. She's not there in the class, I think. Okay, Vihan. CROAK, croak. Do you know which animal croaks, Vihan?
Man can.
अगर किसी और को आंसर आता है तो you have to raise your hand like this. Yes, Vihan, you know the answer, then tell me.
Sir,
Croak. Which animal croaks? C-R-O-A-K. Okay, Ali. Ali.
Ma'am, frog.
चिल्ड्रन माइक ऑन करके इस तरह से आपको बीच में नहीं बोलना है. मैंने कहा है आपको सिर्फ ये करना है. आप लोग कब सीखेंगे ये मैनर्स? यस अली.
Ma'am, frog.
Frog. Okay, right. So, frog. Shok, can you tell me which number do you see the picture of a frog?
Ma'am, 10.
Number 10. Okay, so children, on number 10, everybody is going to write C-R-O-A-K. Croak. Hassan, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, on number 10, have you written croak?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you are writing, not mummy. Yes, Hassan? Who is writing, you or mummy?
Me.
You are writing? Very good. Okay. All right. Now I'm reading the next word. M-O-O, moo. M-O-O, moo. Hassan, can you tell me which animal makes the sound moo? Your mic, child. Cow. Okay, very good, children. A cow does moo. Yes. Do you know that song? There's a nursery rhyme, a song. Old MacDonald had a farm. Does anyone know that song? कभी सुना है? Visual you have heard? Do you know how the song goes? आता है? Okay, so today in the group I will put that song. Alright, I'll put the video of that song. All of you hear that. Watch that video and here you will learn all the different sounds that the animals make. There's a song which says, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some ducks, then he had the hens, he had the chicks, and all the different sounds the animals used to make. That song will teach you. Today I'll send you that video in the group. You can enjoy it, right? Okay. So just now let's see, where is the picture of a cow mate? Where's the picture of a cow mate? Wali? Where's the picture of a cow mate? Which number? Which number do you see the cow? 6. Okay, very good. So children, on number 6, write M-O-O, moo. Everybody write over there. The next word is chirp. C-H-I-R-P, chirp. C-H-I-R-P, chirp. Sakina, can you tell me which animal makes the sound chirp? When you get up early in the morning, then you can hear. Yes, Sakina? Birds. Okay. Okay, fine. Birds to chirp. All right. Rudraksh, which number can you see the picture of a bird? Rudraksh, stop laughing. Aradhya, please move from there. Let Rudraksh sit in the class. Yes, Rudraksh. On which number can you see the picture of a bird? Look into your GC. Number 1. Okay, fine. So children, number 1, right over there, chirp. C-H-I-R-P. And Rudraksh, tell your brother to move from there. He doesn't have his classes just now.
ये जो है मैं पहले ही मैंने सोची थी बड़ी है और सब
Sakina, your mic is on. Ishanvi, your mic is on. All right, next word is BARK, bark. This I think all of you will know. This all of you should know, Hardik. Which animal barks?
Yes, ma'am.
Which animal barks?
Back.
कौन सा एनिमल बार्क करता है हार्दिक? भाव भाव कौन करता है? हार्दिक, मम्मी की तरफ नहीं देखना है, मैम की तरफ देखिए. विच एनिमल बार्क्स? बार्क्स मीन्स भाव भाव. कौन सा एनिमल भाव भाव करता है हार्दिक?
प्लीज एक नंबर बता दीजिए.
क्रिस्टोफर, पेज नंबर 8, जीके बुक.
Dog.
Dog, that's right. Okay, Arav, on what number can you see the picture of a dog?
Ma'am, number 8.
Number 8, very good. So all of you write over there, bark. Now the next word is HOWL, howl. HOWL, howl. Yes, Aradhya, which animal howls?
Wolf.
A wolf. Okay, very good. That is a wolf or a fox. Which animal is that? They almost look alike.
Fox.
Okay, they almost look alike. So let's see what the other children say. Okay, so let's see number 4. Number 4, you write HOWL, howl. HOWL, howl. A fox howls. Christopher, have you got your GK book with you there? Adhiraj, are you writing everything in your register? Are you writing in your register, child? I told you yesterday if you don't have your book. Okay. All right. Now you tell me the last one. Adhiraj. QUACK, quack. QUACK, quack. Which
Duck quacks.
a duck quacks. Okay, very good. A duck quacks. All right. Now let's see who's going to tell me. Okay, Vinayak. On which number can you see the picture of a duck?
Duck.
Which number can you see the picture
9.
of a duck?
9.
Number 9. So write over there, children. Quack. All right, now see what is written over there down. The call of the blue whale is the loudest on earth. It can be heard hundreds of miles away. You know, children, कभी कभी आप लोग घर पे शोर मचाते हैं ना, गुस्सा हो जाते हैं तो शोर मचाने लगते हैं, चीखने लगते हैं, चिल्लाने लगते हैं. कभी कभी मम्मी पापा पे मम्मी ने अगर कोई चीज़ नहीं दिया, आपको गुस्सा आ जाती है, आप चीखने लगते हैं. But you know, children, the blue whale, it's got the loudest sound on earth. Okay, Shubh is doing this. So Shubh, you don't get angry? You don't scream and shout? That's very good.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so who are the children who don't get angry and scream and shout? None of you? Very good. You all are all very good children. You don't get angry, you don't scream and shout. That's very good. Now, in the yellow box, some info bytes, it tells you that the blue whale has the loudest sound on earth. जो ब्लू व्हेल होती है उसकी आवाज सबसे तेज होती है अर्थ पे. हम लोग की आवाज इतनी तेज नहीं है. So please make sure you learn that up. Right in front of the yellow box, Learn. Learn. Right over there, Learn. Hardik, you
Ma'am.
don't? Yes, sure.
Ma'am, blue whale is so big fish.
Yes, it's a big one. Hardik, you are talking. You are not doing your work. हार्दिक,
Yes, ma'am.
आपके पास जो भी बैठा है उनसे बोलिए कि आपसे बैठकर बात मत करें, बिकॉज आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, वहां पर टॉकिंग कर रहे हैं, क्लास में ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं बेटे.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so pay attention in the class. Now coming to the next page, children, at work. Next page you have at work. These people work hard and help us in many ways. Now some clues are given there. You have to identify the names. The pictures are also given and it's very easy. Let's do it fast. The first picture, Ayat Heather, can you tell me the first picture? A dash teaches us lessons at school. Picture, when you look at the picture, you will know. Look at the picture, page number 9. Ayat, you can see someone is teaching over there. That is a
Duck.
page number 9, Ayat. We have finished page number 8. Come to page 9, Ayat.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayat, page number 9. The first picture, वहां पर क्या बना है?
Ma'am, teacher.
I'm asking
Ma'am,
Ayat
teacher.
Heather. I'm asking Ayat Heather. I'm not asking Ayat Rizvi, okay? Now we've got 2, so you have to be very careful. Ayat Heather. I think there's some network problem. Okay, now Ayat Rizvi, then you tell me. The first picture.
Teacher, ma'am.
Teacher, that's right. So fill up the words over there. The spelling of teacher, does anyone know? Vinayak knows. Yes, Vinayak, let's hear you. Vinayak, you know the spelling of the word teacher?
Teacher.
Do you know the spelling? Yes, Vijwal, you know it?
Teacher. Teacher.
Okay, Teacher. Vinayak has said the spelling. Teacher. All of you write over there. Teacher. Fill up that complete that word. Teacher, the first picture. Vaishnavi, Shanvi, are you doing it? When you finish, give me a thumbs up. Okay, Hayat, the next picture. A dash helps us to stay healthy. Somebody who gives us medicines and helps us to stay healthy. We call that person, Hayat? Doctor, that's right. That's right. Doctor. 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 Okay, the next picture. Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi. Christopher, are you asking something? Christopher, are you asking some? DOCTOR. Yes, Vaishnavi, the next picture, a dash stitches clothes for us. Who stitches our clothes, Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Who stitches our clothes? कपड़े कौन सिलता है हमारे?
Taylor.
Tailor, that's right.
Taylor.
TAI. Complete that word, children. TAILOR, Tailor. Okay, visual. Who grows crops for us? खेत में जाके हमारे लिए अनाज कौन उगाता है? Yes, visual. Farmer. Okay, that's right. So write the word there. FARMER. 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 Okay, Shivansh. A dash
Yes,
repairs.
ma'am.
A dash repairs water pipes and fittings. अगर घर में नल खराब हो जाता है, घर में नल खराब हो जाता है, पानी की प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो मम्मी किसको बुलाती हैं? कौन सा मैकेनिक? उनका नाम क्या होता है? हम क्या बोलते हैं उनको?
Plumber.
प्लम्बर, दैट्स राइट। और इस तरह से आपको नहीं बैठना है। मूव योर हैंड्स, सिट स्ट्रेट। Plumber. He's right, children. Shivan said plumber. So write the correct spelling. PLU. Fill up the words over there. Visual, you're feeling sleepy? Sorry, not visual. Vihan. Arav is also feeling sleepy. Okay. PLUMBER. Plumber. Write the word there. PLUMBER. Plumber. Repairs water pipes and fittings. Okay, Arav, the next one, a dash fights for the country.
Man soldier.
Soldier, very good. A soldier fights for our country. A soldier fights for our country. Complete the word SOL. Hassan, are you writing?
Soldier.
SOLDIER. A soldier fights for the country. Write the spelling SOLDIER. Okay. Now down below it says there are many types of doctors to treat different diseases. They all use the words doctor before their names. अब आपको शायद पता होगा अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए अलग अलग चीज़ों के लिए डॉक्टर्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू आर लिटिल चिल्ड्रेन. बच्चों के डॉक्टर्स अलग होते हैं, बड़ों के डॉक्टर्स अलग होते हैं. अगर हमें कुछ आईज में प्रॉब्लम होगी तो हम आई स्पेशलिस्ट के पास जाते हैं. यस, different doctors give us medicines for different problems, but सबके नेम के आगे डॉक्टर लगाया जाता है because they are all doctors. They give us medicines for our various problems, but they are all doctors. So सबके नेम के आगे डॉक्टर लगाया जाता है. So again, remember, you have to learn the information that is given there down below. So write here learn. Write there learn. Write learn over there, all of you. And make sure you put today's date on this page also. Have you put the date on top, children? Please put the date. Right, with that we come to the end of your GK class. We'll meet again in the next period. You can take your break. And let me tell you one thing before you go on your break. Before you go